Hi, my name is Sarah Weaver. I am a real estate investor and a real estate coach. I specifically coach real estate agents on how to build wealth by buying real estate. You help your clients build wealth every day, and I want to show you how you can do the same thing. I believe out of state investing is a great way to build wealth. Truly, my motto is live where you want and invest where the numbers make sense. So I spend about 30% of my time abroad living in exotic places like Bali and New Zealand and Portugal, while investing in places like Omaha, Des Moines, Kansas City. I now own 19 units in 4 different states. And I spend a lot of my time traveling and living what I consider a really big and exciting life. I want to help you do the same thing. And I can show you how to invest in real estate without losing your mind and, of course, losing your money. So if you're interested in investing in real estate, maybe you've owned in the past and it didn't go so well, but you're ready to try it again, or you've always been interested, but you're not really sure how on earth can I own rentals hundreds of miles away? I will show you how I not only own hundreds of miles away, but I've even purchased from thousands of miles away, the actual other side of the world. I will show you all of this in our workshop and our time together. I really look forward to spending time with you. I will be there on April 28th. Please come join us. Talk to your team lead about how you can get involved and join us. And of course, bring your clients. Invite them to, frankly, this one of a kind workshop. Not only is it a great way to touch a client, but if they too want to build wealth through real estate investing, you can build a referral network and earn money while your clients invest right alongside you. If any of this interests you, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I really look forward to meeting you in person on April 28th.